Hey everyone, don't go away. I am going to do an entertainment only video on adding a little bit of light in my carport here. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, so as you already know, this is my carport. I don't always have a lot of light in here. In fact, the only light I really have is an old fish tank light over there in the corner. But when I want to do some work right here, either on the planer or the table saw, I just don't have any sufficient lighting. So I found some few leftover things in my middle two building. And again, I'm just going to remind everybody this is for entertainment purposes only. I am not an electrician. I'm not going to vouch for the high tech or professionalism of this. So what I've done is, this is my a T base that I have. You can't really see at the top, but I leave this in here because in the winter time when I back up my plowing Jeep, I back up almost to this, and this just supports the ceiling in the winter time. So what I've done is I have an old light from outside. Don't know where I got it from, how long I've had it for, but all I've done on the back is I've wired in a cord. This is something would normally go outside. It would be sealed. And I just put this tape here. This is Gorilla tape. I put this just to hold this in place and out of the way, so that when I screw it up against the wood, it's not cutting into the wires. And I'll be able to see through there anyway. I use a little bit of hot glue to hold this in place. This cord actually came out of a vacuum cleaner. And as you can see, I want to see, let's see, that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Let's say it's like 20 feet, but this will give me the option to plug it in. Another reason I'm okay with this, and I know a professional electrician would probably cringe at this setup, this is only going to be on when I'm out here working. It'll also serve as another reminder for me, is that if I see this light on, I will know that I left the power on to my table saw and my planer, which I do not want to do. I like to unplug things and have no power going to it when I'm done. I don't know if you can see, but this was my drop light, which really doesn't come in very handy as far as lighting this area. So I'm going to plug this in first, and let's see. All right, may not seem like much light right now during the day, but once I come in here at nighttime, if I needed to work when it gets early, when it starts getting dark earlier in the day, I'll still be able to come out, do some work. Or actually, if I need to start the Jeep, I'll have some lighting out here that I can do that with to make it easier.